नमस्ते। I, JVN Dr. MP Sharma, Professor, Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jaipur, Jyoti Vidyapith, Jaipur. So today's topic is diagram of cell membrane. So this is the diagram of the cell membrane in which we can look here. Peripheral proteins, lipid layers, integral protein, peripheral proteins. Unit of membrane in 1957, J.D. Robertson replaced Daniel Davison model by unit membrane model on the basis of the electron microscopic studies. Later, in 1972, as A. Singer and G.L. Nicholson proposed the fluid mosaic model. According to them, the membrane is fluid with mosaic of proteins. Mosaic means pattern formed by arrangement of the different colored pieces of stone, tiles, glass, or other such as material. This model is accepted by scientists till now. In this model, the proteins are found to float the lipid layer instead of the forming the layers of the Swedish type model. The central lipid layers is a bilayered structure, and this is formed by a thin film of lipids. The characteristics features of the lipid layer is that it is a fluid in nature and not a solid structure. So the portions of the membrane move from one point to another point along with the surface of the cells. The materials dissolved in lipid layers also move to all areas of the cell membrane. The major lipids are phospholipids and cholesterol. Now, head portion is the polar and it is soluble in water and has strong affinity for water, hydrophilic, having a tendency to mix with dissolved in or be wetted by water tail portion is the non-polar end. It is insoluble in water and repelled by water, that is known as hydrophobic. So number one, tendency to repel or fail to mix with water, and second or suffering from hydrophobia. Two layers of the hydropholipids, two layers of phospholipids are arranged in such a way that the hydrophobic tail portions meet in the carrier in the center of the membrane. Hydrophilic, hydrophilic head portion of our outer layer of the face, the extracellular fluid, and those of inner layer face, inner cellular fluid, that is cytoplasm. Now cholesterol. Cholesterol molecules are arranged in between the phospholipids molecules. Phospholipids are soft and oil structure, and cholesterol has to phospholipids are important molecules that provides structure and protection to cell, the very function, very basic unit of life. Pack of phospholipids in the membrane. So cholesterol is responsible for the structural integrity of lipid layer of the cell membrane. The lipid bilayer is important for maintaining the shape of the cell and for selective permeability. Therefore, it is vital for the survival and function of the cell. Now, function of lipid layer and cell membrane. Lipid layer of the cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane and allows only the fat-soluble substances to pass through it. The fat-soluble substances like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and alcohol can pass through this layer only. The water-soluble substances such as glucose, urea, and electrolytes cannot pass through this layer. Now, protein layers of the cell membrane are electron-dense layer, and these layers covers the two surfaces of the central lipid layer. Protein layers gives protection to the central lipid layer. The protein substances present in the layer are mostly glycoprotein, and these proteins are that have sugar attached to them. And glycoproteins are always found of a outside of the plasma. Proteins molecules are classified into two categories: integral protein or transmembrane protein, peripheral protein or peripheral membrane protein. Now, integral membrane protein, also called intrinsic protein, have one or more segments that are embedded in the phospholipid bilayers. Integral or transmembrane proteins are the proteins that pass through entire thickness of cell membrane from one side of the other side. These proteins are tightly bound with the cell membrane. Example of integral proteins are cell adhesion proteins, cell junction proteins, some carrier transport proteins, channel proteins, some hormone receptors, antigens, some enzymes. And this is the diagram, lipid of the cell membrane, hydrophilic portion, hydrophobic portion, hydrophilic portion is to either side or either side, and in between two, the cholesterol and phospholipids. So we can understand through this also. So it is very important for the examination purpose, the lipid of the cell membrane. Now peripheral proteins are peripheral membrane. Proteins are the protein which are partially embedded in the outer or and inner surface of the cell membrane and do not penetrate the cell membrane. Peripheral protein care loosely bounded with integral proteins or lipid layer of the cell membrane. So these protein molecules dissociate readily from the cell membrane. Example of peripheral proteins are proteins of cytoskeleton, second, some carrier transport protein, and third is some enzymes. Now, functions of the protein in the cell membrane. Integral proteins provide the structural integrity of the cell membrane. Channel proteins help in the diffusion of water-soluble substances like glucose and electrolytes. Now, carrier of transport. The proteins help in the transport substances across the cell membrane by means of the active or passive transport. Pumps some carrier proteins act as a pump by which ions are transported actively across the cell membrane. Receptor proteins serves as the receptor site of the hormones and neurotransmitters. Enzymes, some of the proteins molecules form the enzymes and control chemical metabolic reactions within the cell membrane. Antigen, some proteins act as an antigen and induces the processes of the antibody formation. Cell adhesion molecules and integral proteins are responsible for the attachment of the cell for their neighbors or basal lemma. Now, carbohydrate of the cell membrane. Some of the carbohydrate molecules present in the cell membrane are attached to proteins and from glycoprotein. Any of the class proteins which have carbohydrate groups attached to the polypeptide chains. Proteoglycans, a compound consisting of a protein bounded to molecule saccharide groups presently especially in the connective tissue. Some carbohydrate molecules are attached to the lipids and form glycoproteins. Glycolipids are lipids which with a carbohydrate attached by a glycosidic bond and their load is served as a marker of the cellular recognition and also to provide energy. The carbohydrates are found on the outer surface of the eukaryotic cell membrane. Carbohydrates molecules form a thin and loose covering cover the entire surface of the cell membrane called glycocalyx. It is a thick, viscous fluid secreted by the all kind of the bacteria and this fluid is clear and odorless but varies in viscosity and volume. Glycocalyx may appear in a cell walls as capsules which are tightly bounded and hard deposits for the substances. Now, functions of the carbohydrate in cell membrane. Carbohydrate molecules are negatively charged and do not permit the negative charge substances to move in and out of the cell. Glyco, Glycocalyx form a neighboring cell has in the tight fixation of cell with another with one another. Some carbohydrate molecules functions as the receptors for some hormones. Now, function of the cell membrane. This function, cell membrane is having six functions. First one is the protective functions, under which cell membrane protects from the cytoplasm and the organelles present in the cytoplasm. Second is selective permeability. Cell membrane acts as a semi-permeable membrane, which allows only some substances to pass through its act as a barrier for other substances. Third is absorptive functions. Nutrients are absorbed into the cell through the cell membrane. Next is excretory function. Metabolites and other waste products from the cell are excreted through the cell membrane. And last one is the exchange of the gases. Oxygen enters in the cell from the blood and carbon dioxide leaves the cell and entire blood through the cell membrane. And finally, maintenance of the shape and size of the cell. Cell membrane is responsible for the maintenance of the shape and size of the cell.